Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to unsave the pin on your profile. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and give your login details, then sign in into your Pinterest account. Now on your screen, you can see options like Home, Search, Create, Inbox and Saved. Go to Saved. Then there you can see the pins that you have saved. All you have to do is long press on the pin that you want to delete or unsave. Then drag your finger to the pin like option. Then you can see at the end there's delete this pin option. Tap on it. Then select delete. And guys, that's it. That's how you unsave a pin on Pinterest. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.